Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Office for free in this tablet. So let's start. So guys, it's a web-based version. You have to open Samsung internet browser and here you have to change one setting. So select this tools icon, then select this settings icon, and inside the settings here you see this option of web page view and scrolling. So you have to select this option, and here you see the last option is about show desktop sites. So you have to enable this option. Now you have to open a website. Name of the website is office.com. So guys, this is the official Microsoft website for Microsoft Office. So here you have to select this sign in option, and then you have to enter your Microsoft account information. If you don't have Microsoft account, you can create a free account by select this option of create one. I already have my Microsoft account, so I will enter my details here. After signing in, here is your dashboard for Microsoft Office web version. If you select these dots from here, it will show you all the apps that are available. So here you can see we have this Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook. For example, I select the Excel from here. It will open the Excel in a new tab, and here it will show you all the templates that are available. For example, I select new blank workbook. It will open a new Excel sheet with all different tools. So here you can see we have home tab, then we have this insert tab. You can insert pivot table, you can insert picture, shapes, or you can insert these pie charts, bar graphs, and then if I select this share option, so you can share it. Then we have this formula tab here, so all different formulas available here. So here we have this sum formula. Then if you select this arrow from here, it will show you the list of different formulas. So we have these accounting formulas and other necessary formulas also available. Then we have this data option, review, view, and then you can also use your S Pen if you want to write something. For example, I select this draw tab from here, and here we have different pen tools. If I select this pen tool from here, then I can write on my Excel sheet as well. I can also use this highlighter tool, and then if you want, you can also use this eraser tool as well. If you want to work on your Excel sheet, just double tap it like this. It will open the keyboard, and then from here you can start working. The next thing is, once you finish with your work, you can download a copy of your work as well. So select this file option from here, and then here you see this option of save as, and then here you see download a copy option. The next thing is you can also export your work as a PDF. So here is the export option, and here you see the option of download as PDF. The next thing is your work will automatically save in Microsoft OneDrive. So Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage from Microsoft, and it will give you 5 GB of storage. So how to access this Microsoft OneDrive? You can open the main dashboard from here, then select these dots, and here you see this option of OneDrive. So you can select OneDrive from here, and here it will show you all your different work, and it will automatically save here. You can also edit it from here. Now I will open Microsoft PowerPoint. So I will go to my main dashboard, and then I select these dots, and here is the PowerPoint. So I will select this PowerPoint. It will open the PowerPoint in a new tab. Here we have different themes. For example, I select new blank presentation, and then it will open a new blank presentation with all Microsoft PowerPoint tools. So here you can see we have different tools available. So we have this home tab, then we have this insert tab. You can insert new slides, table, pictures. Then we have shapes, stock images. Then if I select this draw option, you can use your S Pen to draw anything on your slides. Then we have this design option, different design options available, and then we have transition, animations, slideshow, review, view, and help. Here we have more designer templates available. So for example, if you want to select from here, you can select from here as well. Select try it now, and then you can insert these different designer templates from here as well. You can also use your S Pen as a laser pointer during presentations. So here is the present option. Then it will open the slide in the presentation form, and you can use your S Pen. For example, if you want to use it as laser pointer, select this pen from here, then select this laser pointer, and then you can point out anything in your presentation. You can also use your S Pen for writing on your presentation. So here is the pen option, and then you can also write on your presentation as well. The next thing is you can also use two different Microsoft apps in split screen. For example, here I have this Excel workbook. So I will press and hold it like this, and then here is the option of open in other window. So I will select this option. Now it will open this Excel in a split screen, so I can work on both of these apps. So here is my PowerPoint and here is my Excel. So here you can work on your Excel as well. So here you can see I can work on my Excel, and then from here I can also work on my PowerPoint as well. The next thing is you can also bring any important information from your Microsoft apps into your notes. So I will take out this edge panel, and then I will open the Samsung Notes here in split screen. Now for example, I want some important information from this Excel, so I can use Smart Select tool. So I will open the air command, I will open the Smart Select tool, and then I will start selecting the information that I want to use. So I will select it till here. Now I can use my S Pen, and then I will press and hold it like this, and I can drag it here into my notes. So here you can see now this information is available in my notes, and then later I can just label it. If I want to highlight it, I can highlight it as well. You can also share your presentations. So here is the share icon. Select this share from here, and then it will create a link, and that link you can share with your friends or with your colleagues. And here you can also customize the sharing option. So if you select this pen option, so here it will give you can edit or can view option. You can change the sharing settings from here as well. You can copy the link, and then this link you can share. You can also download your PowerPoint presentations. Select this file option from here, then select this save as option. So here you have different options. You can select download a copy, download as PDF, download as ODP, or download as images. Now I will open Microsoft Word. So I will go to my main dashboard, then I select these dots from here, and then here is the Microsoft Word. So I will select it from here. It will open the Microsoft Word dashboard with different templates. For example, I select new blank document. It will open a new blank document from Microsoft Word with all different tools. So here you can see this is the home tab. We have different tools available over here. So here you can see we have these tools. Then we have this insert tab. So you can insert page break, table, picture, drawing, links. You can also insert header and footer, page numbers. Then we have this layout option. So here we have these tools for layout. Then we have references, review, view, and help. You can also insert templates. So here is the designer templates option. So here you can see we have these resume, we have letter, we have cover letter templates, then we have general, then we have this to-do list, report. So different templates available from here. You can just select it, and then it will be automatically inserted into your Word. And then from here you can also edit it. So here you can see this template, so you can also edit it. The next thing is you can also save your work. Select this file option, and then select this save as option. So here you can download a copy, download as PDF, download as PDF with comments, or download as ODT. You can also share your work. So again, if you select this share icon from here, and then select this share option from here, so here you can share this link, and then you can also customize it as well. Guys, you can also use Microsoft Office web version inside Samsung DeX. So I will open the Samsung DeX and then I will show you how you can use it. First of all, you have to open the Samsung Internet browser. So here I will open the Samsung Internet browser, and here inside the Samsung Internet browser, you don't have to change any settings. So you have to open the office.com. So I will open the Office website, and then you have to log in with your information, and then here is your dashboard. So again, same thing, if you select these dots from here, it will show you all the apps available. For example, I select the Excel from here, it will open in a new tab, and then it will show you the same dashboard. You can select the new blank workbook, and then it will show you all the tools for Microsoft Excel. So here you can see this is how the Excel looks inside the Samsung DeX. So here we have all different tools available. So it's up to you if you want to use it in a tablet mode or if you want to use it in a Samsung DeX mode. The next thing is you can also use other Microsoft apps. So I will go to my main dashboard, then I select these dots. So here you can see we have other apps. For example, if I select this designer, it will open the Microsoft designer. You can create different designs using AI. And then if I again go to my main dashboard, I select these dots. We also have Microsoft OneNote. So you can use this app for note taking. Then you can also use Outlook, and then we have Teams, Calendar. So different Microsoft apps you can use from here. So guys, this web-based version always required internet connection, and it is also helpful if you want to make any purchasing decision, so you can test all different tools for Microsoft Office. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.